Hey everyone, welcome to IT Twist. My name is Gaurav. Till this point of hands-on Python course, we have covered how to code in Python, variables, conditional statements, various data types like list, tuple, set, dictionaries, strings, and concepts like loops and functions. Before jumping to next topics, let's start with our first checkpoint of our course where we will provide you a real-world assignment which you need to solve and post it on your GitHub profile. I would insist you to solve this assignment. If you have your friends, ask them to solve this too so that you can gain more and more insights from this assignment. I will post answer of this assignment in the next video, probably next week. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below for getting notification of programming tutorials and technology updates. In this assignment, we will create a very basic blog command line program. Suppose you are planning to create your own blog application where you can read a post, create a post, update a post, or delete a post. Please refer to the description below for GitHub repository link where you can find the skeleton code files and this readme file which will have all the instructions. If we open this main.py, which is the skeleton code, when you go down, you will see I have already created the function calls with the necessary arguments. You just need to change the function definitions with the appropriate parameter lists and your logic goes here. If you stuck at any place, you can refer to my previous videos. In case you have some doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.